Hi there, Mr. Russell here. I want to show you how to grab some images off of the internet to use in your iMovie video that you're about to create. First, we're going to go to a website, Google, for instance, and let's say you want, you do want a very large file. So notice the one that I'm hovering over here on the right side of your screen is 1,000 by 592. That's a good size. Smaller ones, such as 668, they'll be okay, but notice this is more of a video size. Just the way the picture is laid out, that'll look a little bit better on your finished video. So we're going to click on that and hold Alt and click on your Chromebook. And notice this pops up. We want to save image as, and I'm going to put this into a folder for Science of Nature class because I've already created that. I'm also going to rename that image Vesuvius 9. I've already downloaded a few other images to this folder, Science of Nature, Vesuvius 9 will now download, and it says download is complete. So that's the first step in getting a few of these. Get several, actually get all the images that you need. And then once you get them into a folder, we'll step onto the Mac and show you how to download from your drive onto the Mac for editing your Vesuvius project.